This is the Amazon Fire Stick TV with Alexa voice remote control. Let's go ahead and open the box and see how it looks. Say goodbye to buffering because there's an ultra fast processor in this newer Fire Stick TV. Also a better wireless adapter so you can get a better signal to your Wi-Fi router. Also, probably one of the best things about this is the instant voice search with Alexa voice remote. So I just opened this box and I'm taking out the Amazon Fire Stick right now. Also, the user manual just caught my eye. Let's go ahead and take that out and look through it real quick. It's a standard user manual. This one does display how you can set it up to your TV and what comes with the box. From looking at the user manual, I can see an HDMI adapter does indeed come with the box. Now I'm pulling out the USB cable that comes with it. It looks okay, doesn't look bad. I'll go ahead and put that to the side here, right in front. The next thing I am pulling out is the HDMI adapter. Now I'm glad they included this in the box because there's some TVs out there that the Amazon Fire Stick is just a little bit too long and it doesn't fit into the HDMI input. Because of the way the TV was designed, it's just too long and the input area is just too narrow. I had this problem on a Sony TV, so I'm very glad they have this in the box. Now the Amazon Fire Stick itself looks just like the older model, pretty similar in size. All black, but I think it might be a little bit thicker. I know it's a little bit off screen, but I'll put it in front right here. I like how it's black because then it just blends in with my TV. With this outlet plug, you do have the option of keeping your Amazon Fire Stick on when your TV is off. Otherwise, you do have the option of taking the USB cable and plugging it directly into the back of your TV. However, your Amazon Fire Stick will turn off during this time. Now I'm finally taking out the remote. I actually really like this remote. It feels good in my hands. I have the older remote and that one was just a little bit too small. This one actually is larger and it feels good. It has a nice controller snap to it whenever you press any of the buttons. Also, a new thing about this model is the voice activation button on the top. Also, to point out, it does come with batteries, as you can see there. So you won't need to go out and buy AAA batteries. This is everything that comes in the Amazon Fire TV Stick box.